Per hour rate is $55. Hours worked are 61. What is your pay period gross income? Your year to date income is gross income is how? What is the gross income? 3355. This is your YTD index. Now calculate monthly, regular, and YTD regular. Everyone need to calculate this income. If you guys will not be able to calculate income from the pay stub, you won't be able to calculate income from any other document. This is the basic. You need not only to calculate, but you also need to understand how to calculate which income need to be considered for the loan. Let me know whoever will be able to calculate.
7269 monthly and YTD regular is 7916.
7269.
69.
Regular 7269.16 and YTD is 16044.77. 16044.77.
Anyone else?
Yes, sir. Monthly MO regular is 7269.16 and YTD is 17114.42.
1711
4.42.
4.4. Okay. One more.
Sir, monthly 7269.16 and YTD is 17954.07.
1795
954.07.
54.1. Okay. Let's see what I have told you. First of all, what we will be calculating. Simple method. Always, if you have primary hour rate, calculate it with the rate. Why we have to calculate with the rate? We wanted to make sure that what exactly is going to be the income. If he is working full hour, 55 into 4 into 52 divided by 12. Very simple formula. Per hour rate. According to hourly rate, how much his income should be? 40 into 52 divided by 12. 9533, right? 9533.33. This should be his income based on the hourly rate. But since we can see that he's not working full hour because this is a bi-weekly pay stub, it should be 80 hours, but he only worked 61 hours. So we cannot go with it as of now. Second method. We will see what is his income in this pay stub. $3355 into 26 because bi-weekly income. This income is for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks into 26 divided by 12. 3355 into 26 divided by 12. But he is earning 7269.16 according to this income. But this is for 61 hours. We cannot assume that because according to the hourly rate, his income should be 9533. But he's not working full hours, so his income is this 7269. What he has earned in till date from 1st January till this date, October 18. Okay, let's see. $172,000, right? Divided by October is the 10th month. But in October, he only worked for 18 days, right? In the October is 10th, but only 18 days he worked. So from January to September, how many months? 9 months. So 9 months he completely worked plus 18 days. So for 18 to convert, these are days, these are months. So we need to convert these 18 days into month. We will divide by 30. 30 is generic, but if you wanted to go for the specific number of days for that month, that is also fine. So in the October, there are 31 days. But if you can divide it with 30, that is also acceptable. Okay. So 18 divided by 31 is 0.58. 0.58. Now 9 month and 0.59 month, 58 month. So total month is going to be 9.58 month. Now you have total month 172,000 divided by 9.58. 17,954.10. Are we clear? So far, this is what we have completed. Any doubt? Anyone? Okay. Now I'm going to give you one more example or scenario. Everyone see if you are doing incorrect, that is perfectly fine. But don't just sit there and wait for others to do it because income is only going to be handy if you are going to practice. If you think you are not going to practice, you will listen, you will know everything. You won't be able to explain, you won't be able to calculate it. And you must have most of you already have appeared for the interviews and you know how the tests are coming. They are giving you scenarios, right? Borrower, weekly pay, weekly, regular, income or earning is dollar weekly. I'm telling weekly. $540. Okay. Pay stub is dated. Pay stub is dated August 5, 2024. That is pay stub date. Pay stub dated means pay date. We don't have pay period. We have only pay date. Weekly regular income is this. Now, year to date income. Just give me one second. Excuse me. Okay. So YTD income is $18,000. Okay. Let's 99. Now calculate your monthly regular and YTD regular. Very simple scenario. It should get done within just not more than 2 minutes. And nobody is going to answer. Just tell me that I'm done. I'm going to ask. So everyone need to do.
Answer.
Okay. Tripti, what is your answer?
Sir, for monthly, it's $2340.
Okay, $2340.
And for YTD, it's 1382.68.
1382.68.
82.68.
Okay. Mithilesh, what is your answer?
Sir, same. Monthly 2340 and YTD 1382.68.
Okay. Ruchi, what is your answer?
Same answer, sir.
Jennifer.
Same answer, sir. 2340, 1382.68.
Okay. Richa, what is your answer? Anyone has a different answer or it's same?
Same, sir.
Okay. So
Same,
your 234.
I got 2160, sir.
2160.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Let's see. 540 into 52 divided by 12. 2340 is what your answer. Weekly income 540 into 1 week is 540. So 52 weeks, total 52 weeks divided by 12 is going to be your answer. Then YTD. YTD is 1382. Sorry. YTD is 9900. So 9900 divided by 7 months. January to July. 7 month complete. Now August 5 days. So 5 divided by 31. 5 divided by 31 is going to be 0.61. So 7.616, not 61.
Yes.
7.16. Okay. So 9900 divided by 7.1382.68. So these are correct, right? Now, which income you are going to consider, this or this?
YTD. 138.
YTD. How would you justify that? Why we are going for YTD income? Because it is less, right? But we cannot ignore, right, that how it is possible that somebody earning 2340, 2000, 2400, but his overall average income is almost 50%. It can be $200 more, it can be 500 more less when it comes to overall, but should not be more than 50% less. So now we need to think that there is a possibility that borrower might have started this job later. If somebody started the job in March 15, 2024, then will his YTD be appearing same here? His YTD 9900 might be appearing only from March to August 05, 2024. This scenario also need to be taken care. It is not that, okay, if this income is less. If this income would have been, let's say, 2100, I would still say, okay, maybe overall he might not be working full hours, so his income could be less. But how much less? 50% is not possible. Because if that is the case, if we know that borrower is working with this employer for last 3 years, obviously I will ask for letter of explanation, LOX, that borrower to explain why the YTD income is so less. What happened? Why he didn't work full time? There is a possibility he might say, I was out of work, right? Or our business has no such, no much work, so I had to stay home for 1 month or 2 months, so I didn't get paid. Or there was a medical reason that I had to take leave. So there could be n number of reasons, n number of explanations, but we need it. We have to have it. The first thing, we need to know why this is 50% less. We will go check 1003, we will check other document, we'll deep dive and we'll see when did borrower started this job. If we do not find this, we will ask borrower, right, provide us the job start date. There are other methods which will be applied, which we will cover later, to check the job start date. And this is the job start date, which initially we can ask borrower, or it might be given in the loan application. Borrower job start date, when he started this job. So if we come across, sometimes in pay stub, there will be a job start date given, right? So if we have now job start date and this job start date showing job started in 2020. Now it is 2024. Borrower is there working for almost 4 months. Now I will ask for simply the explanation that why borrowed YTD income is less. Borrower will explain, and if that will be satisfactory, we will go with this income because then we will have explanation. Borrower himself telling he was out of work for 2 months. Obviously, 2 month income almost $2,000 will be less, and then average income is gonna go down. So we can expect next year borrower might have the similar problem. So we cannot take the higher one, we will go with the lower one. But it is not just to see the lower one. We also need to make the logic. We need to use the common sense. That is what I am repeatedly telling. In underwriting, we have to use common sense. Here, you can easily find out 50% less income overall is not going to be, it should not be like less than 50%. How is it possible? The number one, borrower has worked. If borrower employment start date comes as March 15, 2024, then how many months? 15 days of March, 5 days of August. Now these are March and August, days and days. Then we have April, May, June, and July. Now how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4 months. So now we have 4 months and 15 plus 5, 20 days, right? So 20 days, you can divide it with 30 or 31, right? And then 20 divided by 30 is going to be 0.66, right? So 4.66. Now you will divide 9900 divided by 4.66. What is your income now? 9900 divided by 4.66 is 2144, and your monthly income according to weekly 2340, and your average 2144. Do you see there is a relevance, right? Means this YTD income is supported with the weekly income, almost same, just $100 or $200 up and down. Now you can consider this income easily that we are going according to the average income. But it seems that YTD is appearing low. That means borrower might have worked slightly less number of hours, which is acceptable. But 50% difference does not make sense. We need to dig out why there is 50% less. More than 10% up and down, you always dig out the information. What happened? Why borrower is not working full hours? Maybe he was out of work for 1 or 2 months. He might have started job late according to this scenario. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? So always find out the reasons. What is the reason behind this? Why it is mismatching? Why it is not support? And it might.
Sir, we have multiplied. I would say like we have multiplied into 52, but again later on, why did we divide with 12, sir? While calculating with weekly income, so we have divided by 12.
You have $540 per week, right?
Yes, into 52. But after that, again we did it by 12.
Into 52. What are these 52? These are the 52 weeks.
Yes.
Right. So you received 540 for 1 week, and then you worked for the entire year. How many checks you received? 52.
52.
Now 52 into 540, 28,000.
Yes.
$080. This is your annual income, right?
Yes, sir.
What income we require? Annual or weekly or monthly?
Monthly.
So if you earned 28,000 in the entire year, how much you earned in month? How you are going to
By 12. By 12.
With 12, now you will have weekly income. Sorry, monthly.
Monthly income.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is why we are dividing it by 12.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So now here is one more scenario. You have semi-monthly income $36 semi-month. Pay date is 8/31/2024. Your YTD income is, sorry, here I'm giving you pay frequency is semi-month. Okay. Now your regular pay is rate 55. Okay. Your hours worked are 86.5, and the gross earnings are 55 into 86.5, 4757, 4757.55. Okay. Now you have shift differential. Rate is $10, hours 0, gross pay, and this is your year to date. Year to date income is $3,000.